I just moved into a condo in Charlotte, and I'm gonna take you guys on the tour. If you are new to my channel, hey, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so I'll know that you're here. And let me know what you guys think, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. So thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch y'all inside. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is the dining area. I'm gonna take a step back so you can see it. So this is the dining area. That's the front door. First walk in, and this is the living room here. And that was a welcome back. Sorry, I'm recording on my iPad so y'all can see everything. But I really like this room because it's my favorite, the kitchen. So I love to cook. So I will be giving y'all way more cooking videos in here with better lighting and just better everything. So this is the kitchen. Take a step back, I'm in the dining room so you guys can see. That is the kitchen there. And this is the little laundry unit, and it comes with the washer and dryer. And this place is newly built, so no one has lived in it prior to me. Let's sit this down. It does have the valet trash and everything like that, but it comes with the dishwasher, garbage disposal. I love this fixture because it's just so pretty. I took the ice out because it was ice in there, and I don't know how long the ice been in there since they just built this place. And I don't know, I just don't want it in there. I love these fixtures here. And I'm gonna turn that light on in a second. This is all the cabinet space, beautiful cabinet space. It's the dark, like black on the bottom and the white on the top. It just makes the room look lighter, and so much cabinet space. Y'all see that? So yeah, just tons of cabinet space, and all of the appliances are included, of course. And the fridge, I love this fridge. Everything is stainless and black, which is just so pretty. Granite countertops, which I love. And let's see. Oh, this is a pantry. My kitchen, let me tell y'all, it's so stocked. And I'll take you outside to the patio. And they're still building, but this is the patio, and I'm on the corner. So I'm gonna hang those lights up here, like those little bulbs, and have them strung up there. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get like the blind that goes right here just to block this side off, because I don't want nobody being able to see. Yeah, well, there it is, yeah. So that's the clubhouse with the pool, and it has so many amenities, and I just love that this is a corner here like that. So let's go back inside. This door I will close because I do not like bugs. Then let's go into the guest. This is a closet here. Guest bathroom with a garden tub. I love these little cutouts, cubby on the sides of the tub, because I have so many toiletries and stuff, and I just keep in my bathroom. Fixtures, huge framed mirror. And this is the guest bathroom. Tons of storage space. And this is the guest bedroom, but I feel like this room is bigger than mine, but that's okay. I love these 3 windows here, and that is the balcony there. And This is the closet in the second bedroom. And yeah, so that's the closet. And this is the master bedroom. Same beautiful windows. And I like this because my bed is gonna go here on this wall under these. And I want to be able to see out here. I probably won't from my bed, but that's fine. My TV is gonna be mounted on this wall here, on this big empty wall. I'm gonna mount the TV there. This beautiful ceiling fans. Y'all see these fans? Yeah, those ceiling fans are bomb. Mounted on that wall so that it swivels. This is my closet and my bedroom. Huge closet, tons of space, and my bathroom. I look terrible because I'm moving. So this is my bathroom, all of this space, all the storage, and it's so empty and pretty, and I look like a monster, but I don't care because I got my place in Charlotte. Let's see. Mirror, window, sorry. And I'm upstairs, so same garden tub. Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed it because I'm very excited and I couldn't wait to share it down before I put anything in it. And once I start decorating, I will give y'all more videos so that y'all can see everything and decorate with me. So thank you for joining, and I will see y'all in the next one.